As someone in the maintenance and repair business, you know your clients sometimes experience unexpected problems, and they rely on you to keep them going when that happens. When a machine breaks down, they trust you to figure out how they can get back to work. But it's hard to keep every replacement part in your shop. So when you need seals, go to Seals-Shop.com. You can easily find the parts you need. If we don't have them in stock, you can still order them and see the estimated delivery time. If you have a large order, you can clearly see how many parts are available in stock. And as part of Trelleborg Sealing Solutions, we ship directly from the Trelleborg warehouse. You can get the seals you need with the ease you want so you can fix that machine and get your clients back to work. Your clients rely on you, and you can rely on Seals-Shop.com.